Welcome to our video on how to add devices to a Sidekick paired to a Bond Bridge Pro. After your Sidekick is connected to your Bond Bridge Pro, you can program devices to keys on your Sidekick. If you have not connected your Sidekick, please follow the information on adding a Sidekick located on the Bond Home Support site. In order to utilize Sidekick control functionality, you must be able to control the shades, fans, and lights through the Bond Home application. If you can't control through the application, please add the shades, fans, and lights first. A Sidekick Generation 1 or Generation 2 configured as a shade remote will only be able to control shades. The Generation 1 Scene Keypad or Generation 2 Sidekick configured as a Scene Keypad will be able to control shades, lights, fans, generic devices, and Smart by Bond devices in the Bond Home application. Next, we are going to show what devices will work with the Sidekick paired with the Bond Bridge Pro. In the Bond Home application, select the Sidekick you want to program a key for. The number of keys displayed is dependent on how the keypad is configured. If you had configured the Scene Keypad for 3-scene mode, only 3 keys will be displayed. Choose a key to program by selecting plus for the appropriate key. Select the device type you want to add. Grayed out or very light means the device type is not installed on any of your Bond Bridge Pro units and cannot be added. Devices are: Shade and Awning is for shades and awnings. Ceiling Fan is for ceiling fan remotes recorded on a Bond Bridge Pro and Smart by Bond fan products. Light is for Smart by Bond outdoor lights, switches, and RF lights like the ones from Somfy. Generic Devices is for generic remotes recorded on the Bond Bridge Pro. We are selecting Ceiling Fan. Select Continue. Choose your devices to add. You can add more than one and from multiple locations. If you want all of the devices in a specific location, you select all for that location. Select Continue. After making your selections, select how you want to trigger the function. You can use a single or double tap. We are using single tap. Select Continue to proceed. Select the function for the device. The number of choices is dependent on the device type. We are selecting Turn On with a speed of 3. In Android, select OK followed by Continue for setting light brightness and fan speeds. Just select Continue on iOS, and for all other device types in both Android and iOS, select Done. Your key link function has now been completed. We are now going to show how to add additional devices and delete a device you no longer want to control using the Sidekick. You can add devices to another key or additional devices to the one already created. This allows you to link multiple device types to the same key. To remove devices from a Sidekick key, select the Sidekick you want to remove the device from. In Android, press and hold the key you want to remove the devices from. Select Delete. In iOS, swipe left on the key you want to remove the devices from. Confirm deletion by selecting Remove Again. The iOS functionality is not shown in this video. Thank you for watching our video on how to link devices on your Bond Bridge Pro to keys on your Sidekick. This is just one of our Sidekick operation videos available on the Bond Home Support site.